Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to go over what to do if your archived stories are missing or not working on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Instagram app here, and to access those archived stories, we're going to tap at the very bottom right our profile icon. And then at the top right, you can see those three lines. I will tap those three lines. And then you can see the third option is archive. I'll tap on that. Now you can see that it shows up with post archive and I don't have any post archive. But at the very top I can tap where it says post archive and tap stories. Now you'll be able to see all of your story archives, but if this is not showing up or not working for whatever reason, there are a couple steps that we can do to get it back working. The first thing that we'll do at the very top right is tap those three dots and tap on settings. And from here you can see the first option is save story to archive. So we'll want to toggle that off, leave it off for about 10 seconds, and then toggle that back on so that you're going to save any of those stories in your archive. And then go back and check and see if they're back and if you can access all of those story archives. If you still can't access them, the next step that we'll do is we will go into our settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we get to general and tap on general. And then midway down is iPhone storage. We'll tap on that. Now we're going to wait until Instagram pops up, and we're going to use that to offload and reinstall Instagram. So I'll tap there, tap offload the app, and then reinstall the app. What this does is it force updates Instagram to the latest version, and it refreshes if there are any bugs or glitches in the Instagram app itself. It doesn't remove any of our drafts, our messages, our login, any of that stuff, but it refreshes all of those core app files. So once that's done, we can open up Instagram and it should be reloading all of your Instagram archived stories. And we can go back in there and check on all of those Instagram archived stories, and they should be showing up at that point. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.